Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back with another brand new video for you guys only. First of all, get ready. This is me giving you guys a fair warning. Why? Because this video is going to make your blood boil. This video is going to make you guys so freaking mad over 9-star. I mean, I know it's not a new thing, right? We are kind of used to it, but every time 9-star just opens their mouth and something shippy just comes out. Yeah, these things happened again. So please guys, brace yourself and yeah, get ready to be mad over 9-star again. So what the shippy thing they did now again? Take a guess. You guys can't even guess this because I didn't see it coming. I didn't see it coming. Trust me guys, I just didn't. Anyway, I'm talking in riddles, I know. Because I'm preparing myself to, say this, to break this news to you guys. Okay, here you go. Guess what? 9-star just decided to do this event with Yoko. Basically, it's a fan meet actually. Yes, this kind of event. Yeah, yeah. They decided to do a fan meet with Yoko, and where it is? Take a guess. Yeah, in China. Hong Kong, China, basically. Yes. Oh my, oh my. Their audacity. Oh, I'm just freaking in disbelief. They decided to hold another fan meet in China. Yeah. Are we surprised? No. Let me show you guys the post, then we are going to talk about it briefly. Don't go anywhere guys, because this video is gonna be freaking long. Here it is. Yeah. Alright. Yes. Right. Okay. Right. Okay. Alright. What is this guys? What is this? They is still trying to make money out of Yoko. They are still milking Yoko at the last drop, to the last drop. Oh my. The rage I am feeling inside is undescribable guys. The audacity the company has, oh my. As I said, I'm in disbelief. Trust me when I say this, I didn't see it coming. The way they are getting bashed on the online by our whole fandom, I thought they would learn their lesson. They would, freaking learn their lesson and they're gonna, you know, make their mistake right. I really thought that. But guess what? All of these things are just in vain. Because they certainly didn't learn their lesson. They are trying to hold a fan meet. Yeah, they are trying to hold a fan meet there in China. They are trying to arrange it. Again, last time, as I said, they didn't learn their lesson. Just few weeks ago, right? I don't know if you guys do remember it or not. You must remember it, right? The fan meet that was supposed to be in China, yeah, Macau. Yeah, I'm talking about 5th March and the day after. Our whole fandom boycotted it so freaking hard that they freaking had to cancel the fan meet right there and then. But guess what? Just after a month, they announced another fan meet in China, and this time they are using Yoko. You guys can tell it just by seeing it, right? Because see, I know Yoko is so freaking loved by everyone. Our whole fandom just adores her. That's it. And the fan base Yoko has in China is freaking amazing. It's mind blowing. She literally has the biggest fan base in China. You guys know it. And guess what 9-star decided to do? Yeah, They decided to arrange another fan meet in China with Yoko. They are trying to make money again. I guess they run out of money. Why? Because they actually had spent it all in newbies. You guys know. And they are, who knows, all kind of freaking ships. Oh my, this is making me so mad. Just soon after they launched newbies and they trying to, they did so much with them. They spent so much money on these newbies. But guess what? They still didn't arrange any new project for Yoko, any new series for Yoko. On the other hand, they thought it would be bright idea to arrange this fan meet for Yoko. Wow. How dumb a person, how dumb an agency can be. I just never thought of it. I just never thought I would, see this day. Oh my. As I said, they didn't learn their lesson the last time. They still have the gut. They still have the gut to arrange another fan meet in China again. No, I'm just speechless, guys. I'm just speechless. How this freaking person, how this whole freaking company can be so dumb, so foolish, so stupid, so silly is just beyond me. I don't get it, guys. If you guys are getting it, please make me understand this. Please help me understand this whole situation. One thing is for sure, and I can say it for sure, that after newbies, they ran out of their money. Now they need some money to, run their company, to maintain their company and the expenses they had over newbies and everything. So that's why they are arranging another fan meet for Yoko so that they would receive loads of money and again they can spend it in other ships. That's it. This is hurting me the most, that they are not giving Yoko new project or anything. They are just using Yoko for their own benefit. They are using Yoko just to make more money so that they can spend it on others. This is hurting me the most, guys. Yoko, oh my, our girlie is suffering there, guys. I'm feeling so much rage, so much sadness, so much, madness inside of me. It's overwhelming for me. Oh my. First of all, I'm feeling mad over Nine Star, and then again, I'm feeling sad for Yoko. This is all sort of mix of emotions. Oh my, I just cannot explain it further. And guys, you guys know what to do. Our whole fandom is talking about this. Our whole fandom is talking about it, and our whole fandom is, you guys know what to do. Our whole fandom is boycotting it. Because why not? Why not? See, if we are going to give in to them, we are gonna purchase this ticket, we are gonna do this kind of thing, they're gonna be more encouraged, because they would see the light, they would see that we are here for Yoko and we are kind of supporting Yoko, so they are gonna continue, using Yoko more. That's it. It's not fair, guys. It's not fair. They are not behaving fair with Yoko. I mean, think about it. The way they are, supporting, the way they are behaving towards newbies, and then on the other hand, they are behaving this kind of ships to Yoko. Think about it. They are not. They are not treating her right. I'm telling you guys, and it is showing. Yoko is nothing but their moneymaker right now, and they are trying to use it to the full force, and it's actually showing. It's actually showing. Oh my, this is something else. As I said, this is beyond me. Trust me, guys, I didn't see that coming. Because just the last month, few weeks ago, fan meet got cancelled. Now again, they are trying to do it Oh my. As I said, I'm speechless right now. I don't know. Should I laugh? Should I cry? Or what should I do? I just don't know it. Anyway, guys. Anyway. So I want to know your thoughts on it. What's your opinion about it, guys? What's your thoughts on it? Let me know in the comment section below, alright? Yeah, let me know in the comment section your thoughts. I'll see your comments anyway. So yeah, this was all it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys got to know everything via my video. If you guys find it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon, very soon, with new update, with new news. That's it. Till then, take care and keep smiling. I'll see you guys soon. No worries. I'll see you guys soon. And keep an eye on the channel for regular and new update. Bye.